Hello friends, today I'm going to be taking you on how to install the QR code factory script. Yes, the QR code factory script. So right here on my screen, you can see that uh, the script has been installed. This is what it will look like. So you need to add your URL and you can play around with the functions right here. So right away, without wasting time, to install the script, you need to log into your cPanel. Um, don't bother about creating a database because it requires no database to be created. You click on your file manager. So it takes you to your file manager right here. Yes, so if you're going to be installing it on your domain, you need to go to public_html, or if you're going to be installing it on a subdomain, you need to first of all create a subdomain right here, and you're going to see the subdomain folder right here, probably inside your public_html, or it's going to be around. For me, I'm using my subdomain. So right at the subdomain, I click on upload to install the script, select the file, and once it's done, you see a green progressive bar with 100%. Then you can click on this link to go back. Else, you can just close the tab and come back here. So you see a folder of the application. What you need to do, you need to highlight all of them using when you click on one, you hold your shift button, you click on the last one, you see everything is being highlighted. You click on move, and you make sure you move it to the base part of your domain or your subdomain. So once you're done with that, that's all. You just need to go to your site URL and you click on enter. You should see this. Yes, right here. From here you can generate your QR code. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a nice day.